Meet Blink Mini 2, the tiny guardian for your home security. Experience 1080p HD live view, now with night vision in color. Built-in spotlight, like a mini sun for your midnight adventures. Two-way audio, chat with intruders or your cat, your choice. Motion detection, alerts faster than your morning coffee kicks in. Weather-resistant power adapter for outdoor use, rain or shine. Smart notifications, Sherlock Holmes level alerts on your phone. Easy setup, simpler than assembling a sandwich, no tools needed. Use as a doorbell chime. Hear who's there, even from the couch. Works with Alexa because shouting at technology is now productive. Save clips in the cloud or locally. Your memories, your choice. Blink Mini 2, small size, big security, and endless peace of mind. Find the product link in the description.